Welcome back. So in this video we will actually learn how to update records in the database using PDO. So let's get started. So first of all, let's copy all the code from this file, and now let's create a new file and we'll paste this code here and save it. And now we will save it as update.php. So now let's get rid of these lines. So let's change this query from insert to update now. It will be like update students set name equals name, registration number equals colon, close it, so colon registration number, where id equals colon id. So where the id is matching, the id of the row is matching with the id provided by this placeholder, then update these values. So simple enough. So now let's go ahead and create variables for these values or placeholders. So now the first one will be name, and name will be like Amir Latif. The second one will be for registration number, REGNO, and it will be 1212111. So the third one will be ID. It is not actually the string, it is the number. So ID equals to 1. So now we will have to bind these values to these placeholders. So as you may remember that we use to call bind param. So bind param, and it will take 3 parameters. The first one is the placeholder, which is name. The second one will be the variable which stores the value for that placeholder, so name. And third one will be the type of the value, so type will be PDO, scope resolution operator, and param underscore str. So simple enough. So now let's copy this and paste this below a couple of times. So the second parameter will be registration number, and the name of the variable is also registration number, REGNO, and the type will be string as well, and the third parameter will be ID, and the variable is also ID, but the type of the variable will be int. And now let's execute this query. So to execute, we have to use the execute method on this object. Execute, and let's wrap it inside an if. I am simply saying if this query is executed successfully, then what we want to do, echo student data updated, So save it, and now let's open this update.php in the browser. So it will actually update the student with the ID 1, and it will set name to Amir Latif and registration number to 1212111. So now let's open this file. So localhost video update.php. So now you can see it is saying student data updated. So let's go to phpMyAdmin to verify that. So you can see I have two records in the database. The first one with ID 1 is Basit Altaf, and 1212108 is the registration number. So let's see if the record has been updated or not. So let's refresh it, and now you can see the record has been updated, and the name has been set to Amir Latif, and registration number is set to 1212111. So simple enough. So that's how we can update data in PDO. So let's get going.